Have you ever said something to your partner and their reaction made you feel like they were part of a completely different conversation? You meant to express a need, they heard criticism. You tried to clarify, they felt defensive, and now you're both upset. You end up thinking, it shouldn't be this hard to share my feelings, or I know my partner loves me, but I don't feel supported or cared for right now. And it's those moments of misunderstanding that end up building up until eventually it's like there's a wall between you. I'm Monica Burford, a licensed marriage and family therapist in Sacramento, California. I help couples repair emotional safety so they can move from the constant miscommunication to real connection without losing themselves in the process. Feeling and being misunderstood is one of the most painful relationship dynamics because it creates so much distance, even when you're trying to get close to each other. So today I want to walk you through 3 research-informed steps from the Gottman method that can help you shift out of the loop of misunderstanding and take a real step back towards connection. Step 1, slow down the meaning making. When we're feeling hurt or overwhelmed, our brains make fast assumptions, and these assumptions tend to turn particularly negative when we're in conflict. We're quick to think things like, they did this on purpose, they don't care, they always do this. Meaning making happens fast, and it's often wrong or not fully accurate. The fix? Get curious instead of defensive. Ask, what did you hear me say? Or, I'm not sure that landed the way that I intended. Can I rephrase it? Step 2, start with a soft startup. Dr. John Gottman found that the first 3 minutes of a conversation predict how it's going to end. So instead of leading with blame, frustration, or criticism, try starting with your need and your feeling. For example, instead of, you're always busy, you never make time for me, try, I miss you and I feel like I've barely seen you lately. Can we plan a date tonight? Or, hey, it'd be helpful to hear about what's keeping you preoccupied with work. I miss you. I need us to spend more time together. It's not about avoiding the issue or hiding your feelings. It's about being less reactive and more reachable. We want to shift from criticizing our partner to sharing how we feel and what we need. Step 3, repair in the small moments, not just after the big fights. Small misattunements happen all the time, and it's what we do with them that really matters. A quick repair might sound like, wait, I didn't mean it that way. Can I try again? That small gesture of repair can make a huge difference in building trust over time. If you're feeling misunderstood in your relationship, it doesn't mean that your relationship is broken. It doesn't mean that you're incompatible. But it does mean that your communication system might need some tuning up. And that's where I come in. I offer free 45-minute video consultations. We can talk and see if I'm a good fit for you to help you understand the patterns that you're stuck in and give you some tools that could actually bring you closer. Let me help you take the first step back into connection with clarity, care, and tools that will work.